Okay, so let's have a look at the company final accounts, including the manufacturing account for 2016 Ryan Limited. So as usual, we'll have your trial balance. I'm going to do the workings before we complete our manufacturing account, trade and profit and loss account, and then our balance sheet. So the first adjustment here, stock on hand on the 31st of 12, 2015, we're going to have three. We're going to have our finished goods of 77,600. That goes into your profit and loss account as part of trading. Then you have your raw materials, 36,100. That will go into your manufacturing account at the start. And then you got your work in progress, your opening work or your closing work in progress of 34,200. That will go at the end of your manufacturing account. So working one, closing stock, we got our finished goods. The amount that we're going to have is 77,600. Then you got your raw materials. And the amount for your raw materials is 36,100. I know that's going to be into our manufacturing. And then you got your work in progress then of 34,200. And that goes into your manufacturing account towards the end of it as well. So the first adjustment, fairly straightforward. Just getting your closing stock, putting them in underneath the headings, and just seeing how much the figures are. So there'll probably be adjustment later on for your finished goods. They usually have adjustment in some part where it's sale or return or something like that. So that's your first adjustment, working one for Ryan 2016 manufacturing account question.